Garmin is once again poised to disrupt the wearable tech space, and the anticipation surrounding the Fenix 8 Pro proves just how far the brand has come. What started as a rugged companion for die-hard athletes has grown into an ecosystem that now appeals to elite adventurers, endurance runners, tech lovers, and health-focused users alike. And now, based on credible leaks and expert predictions, the Fenix 8 Pro is set to take everything the Fenix series is known for and elevate it to a whole new level. From groundbreaking GPS capabilities to futuristic health sensors, this isn't just another smartwatch, it's a statement. Garmin has built a legacy that prioritizes performance over aesthetics, toughness over trends. But with the Fenix 8 Pro, that might be changing. The design updates point to a more refined look, while still keeping the rugged DNA intact. This time, it's not just about surviving the elements. It's about doing it with a bit more style and comfort. The watch is expected to come in multiple sizes, including the familiar 47mm and a larger 51mm variant, offering more flexibility for different wrist sizes and preferences. And unlike past models that sometimes felt bulky, the Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to slim things down without sacrificing strength. Expect tighter bezels, better strap fit, and a noticeably lighter build. It's also going to cater to those with a taste for premium materials, with options like titanium frames, sapphire glass, and all-new lifestyle-inspired finish. But what really makes this watch worth talking about is its internals. GPS technology is getting a serious overhaul, introducing advanced multiband GNSS support for pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're navigating a dense urban area with skyscraper interference or hiking through thick forest trails, the improved signal tracking will reduce dropouts and boost reliability. Garmin is also revamping its mapping interface, faster render speeds, better real-time trail feedback, and smarter route suggestions that dynamically adjust to terrain difficulty could change how we explore the outdoors. Breadcrumb tracking and a new compass system are expected to be far more intuitive, giving users confidence in even the most remote regions. Power is another area where the Fenix 8 Pro promises to shine. The battery life, already a major draw for Garmin users, is reportedly stretching up to 18 days in standard mode, and that's before solar kicks in. The solar panel tech has seen refinements too, becoming more efficient in capturing energy even under low light conditions. And for the first time ever in the Fenix series, wireless charging is coming into play. No more proprietary connectors or tangled cables, just place the watch on a standard pad, and you're topped up. This alone could be a big convenience win for travelers and minimalists. Sensors and health tracking also take center stage. The Elevate V5 heart rate sensor is expected to deliver improved accuracy thanks to redesigned LED clusters, which means better readings across a wider range of skin tones and movement levels. More exciting is the possible inclusion of ECG functionality. That's right, Garmin might finally introduce electrocardiogram readings, joining the ranks of Apple and Samsung in heart rhythm monitoring. This could make the Fenix 8 Pro not just a fitness watch, but a legitimate health tool. Sleep tracking will be more comprehensive as well, combining HRV, blood oxygen, respiration, and movement data into a single, cohesive sleep score. And on top of that, recovery insights could become real-time and personalized, helping users avoid overtraining and burnout with smart alerts about rest and intensity levels. Garmin's software ecosystem is getting a refresh too. The new version of Garmin Coach is said to use AI to dynamically adapt your workout plans based on your actual performance, not just generic templates. Whether you're building endurance, training for a marathon, or just staying fit, the plans evolve as you do. The Connect app is being redesigned for smoother navigation and more visual storytelling, transforming your data into insights that feel more like a personalized journal than a spreadsheet. Expect richer third-party support, improved offline Spotify access, better NFC-based payments, and perhaps even a rebuilt Connect IQ store to make watch face and app downloads easier than ever. As for pricing, it's a mix of good and expected news. The base version will likely come in at $799, the same as its predecessor. However, those looking for the bells and whistles, titanium builds, sapphire lenses, LTE connectivity, could see the total climb past $1,000. For users who push their gear to the limit, the price may feel like a worthy investment. If you're someone who tracks multi-hour workouts, scales elevation-heavy routes, or trains in extreme weather, the durability and data accuracy may pay dividends. But for casual users who just want a decent health tracker and basic GPS, this might be a bit overkill. Release timing looks to be carefully planned. Most signs point to a late summer 2025 launch, right around August or September. This aligns with Garmin's past rollout strategies, and it positions the Fenix 8 Pro perfectly for the pre-holiday rush. Expect a big reveal event with live demonstrations, promo reels, and hands-on showcases that give a better sense of how all these features translate into daily use. Ultimately, the Fenix 8 Pro feels like more than just a refresh. It's a genuine leap forward. Users still holding on to a Fenix 5 or 6 will see a major jump in not just tech, but also how seamlessly that tech integrates into everyday life. And for those new to Garmin, this could be the most complete smartwatch experience available, pairing physical durability with software intelligence in ways that even mainstream consumer brands haven't fully nailed. If you've been waiting for a watch that doesn't just keep up with your ambitions, but actively fuels them, this might be the one. Stay tuned, because when Garmin finally pulls the curtain back on the Fenix 8 Pro, it won't just be another product release, it'll be the next benchmark in outdoor wearable innovation.